guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do my festival last day of term look that I did for my last day of term at uni, which if you guys probably follow my Instagram you've already seen it. It was this like purple, I wanted to go for like a mermaid scale vibe, but I ended up getting like fishnet socks because I was being cheap rather than actual fishnet tights. So it didn't go as well as I'd hoped. But now we're going to do it again. I'm going to show you the process that I did, and I hope you'll enjoy it and take it as inspiration for your own festival looks. So yeah, I'll bring you guys just a little bit closer so you can see all of this, and I will show you how to get the look. And then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer first. Gotta minimise those pores. And then I'm going to take my MAC Strobe Cream. Little baby tester. Right, so I'm just going to go through the normal base that I do that you've seen in the past, like God knows how many tutorials. So I'm going to go Supercover foundation, and then we'll go with the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and then Coty Airspun powder, and then the NYX No Filter powder on top of that. So I'm going to quickly go and do that off camera, and I will be right back. Oh, you'll never guess what I just did. Crisis averted, kind of. Oh, I can't believe it just literally spilled powder all over my velvet chair. Good job, Priya. Get rid of all that powderiness with some Fix Plus. Literally my brows are so gross. So I think I'm going to go in with my Eylure brow pencil in the shade dark brown. But I think for that picture I went in with the pomade, but you know, I'm feeling a pencil today. Take some hairspray. Go to work with glitter all over my face. And when the brows are done, I'm just going to take my PLouise Base and put that all over my eyes. The first shade I'm going to go in with is the MakeupGeek Durochrome shadow in the shade Phantom. I'll show you what that looks like. That's what that looks like there. And I'm literally just going to put that in the inner portion of my lid. And you can literally just be as messy as you want with this. I went in with the shade Pom Pom first, and that is going to be like our crease colour. I forget how pigmented these are, especially these pinker tones. Just like keep building it. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Beats Me. Seriously just trying to remember what I did that day, but it's a bit of a blur. So I'm just going to pack that on the outer area here. I think I went in with something a little bit more darker, I think. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Purplish, which is this one here. I'm just going to intensify that Phantom by taking it on a little paintbrush like this. I'm just going to dampen, and I'm just going to do the same thing. And then on top of that I am taking the shade Lollipop, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to put that on my finger on like the inner areas of the eye, just to add the sparkle. Go! So I'm just going to put all the same eyeshadows that I put on the top underneath, and I will be right back. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm taking my Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara, as per always, and just coating my lashes. But unfortunately, I don't have any of my fishnet tights left, so I'm just going to have to make do without, if that's okay. But what we're basically doing is going all of these colours all over the face, so it shouldn't be that hard if I can remember what I was doing. So first go in with the shade Beats Me. I'm gonna use that to start off the process, and with this shade I'm just gonna act like it's a contour. So we're going to work later and it's gonna be like, Priya, what the hell have you been doing? But it's for the channel. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade, which was purplish, on this flat brush, and I'm gonna just kind of start to put it like everywhere. Have fun with it. And then I think I'm gonna go back in with the Beats Me. Looks like I've just been punched in the face or something, I swear. Oh, I'm loving how it looks already. And then I think I'm gonna go with something a bit darker. So I'm going in with Taboo from MakeupGeek. And I think I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I think I'm just gonna put it a bit more here. Really blend. And then I'm also gonna get that Pom Pom shade again on this big brush and just kind of sweep it across everything to kind of make it look a bit more flawless. So that's what we got so far, but to make it look a little bit extra, we are gonna go in with the shade Phantom again on this little Morphe highlight brush, and it's just gonna kind of go a bit everywhere. Mainly highlight with it. So I'm going in with these two House of Sparkles glitters in the shade Princess and Holosexual. These two are absolutely gorgeous, especially if you kind of like mix them together a little bit. And then I'm also taking the House of Sparkles glitter adhesive. I'm literally just gonna make this mess everywhere, which is gonna be fun before I go to work, but you know, it's fine. Doing it for you guys. Tapping a little bit out onto my palette of both of them and kind of mixing them together. So that's the adhesive. If you just see those glitters mixed together, they look absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be swimming in glitter for like the rest of my life. So that's basically that with that glitter. You don't even need that much, I don't think. So now we're going in with the chunky holographic glitter from PaintGlow, which is this one, and oh my lord, don't know if you can, I'll squeeze it a little bit. And that's what that looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to squeeze out some of that. I'm going to just put it on top, I guess. The beauty of looks like this is that you're never gonna get two of like the same looks exactly the same. You're never gonna get them exactly the same. The only thing with this is it does kind of take off some of the colour thing. This is pretty much the look. Let me get dressed and I'll be back in a sec. I'm back, miraculously changed t-shirts. So this is, ooh, this is literally all I did for the look, and I didn't even wear any lipstick. Just some Nivea lip balm. Pretty much it. And in that look as well, all I did was bring the same colours here down, and I contoured this whole area of my chest as well, and then I added a load of that glitter on top. And then I don't know if I can show you without like spilling the glitter, like this is what I did to the palette. And yes, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was a bit rushed, and then I did get a phone call from my boss midway saying, Priya, can you come into work? And I was like, yes, of course I can, because I'm just so good. And I'll just kind of go a bit closer and show you. And it's actually super easy and super quick to do, and it looks like you spent an eternity. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks like we spent a lot more effort on this than you actually have. Actually, I've just realised, I don't know if you can see, but the picture from when I did this is here. Don't know if you can see me. They basically look the same. Hey guys, I'm just editing my video and I realised that I missed one crucial little part on the picture. I forgot to explain like the little white accent things. So basically I just used my collection, I think it was a Fast Stroke Eyeliner in the shade white, and I literally just used those to do like little dots in the little corner and like little stars everywhere. I'll bring the picture up again to show you, but that's literally all I did, just kind of a load of dots everywhere, and then a few stars on my cheeks and a few dots down here and everything. So basically that's all I did, so you haven't missed out on too much, but I completely forgot that I had those accents on because I was in such a rush to like get ready for work and get rid of all the glitter like all off my face. But yeah, that's the only thing I missed out, just do those little white details with a little white eyeliner, and that was it. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you'd like to see more kind of fun creative looks like this. I love just painting my face, it's just so much fun. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.